In this video, we're going to take a deeper look at Uranus and astrology and human design and how this energy reflects change, individuality, and unexpected transformation. Uranus represents where a person is unique. It reflects the area of life where they may think differently, act differently, or move in a direction that feels unconventional. This is the energy of the unexpected. It brings sudden shifts, new perspectives, and moments that can change the direction of life. Uranus is often connected to change that happens quickly. These changes can feel surprising, but they often lead to growth and new awareness. The placement of Uranus highlights where a person may have influence. It reflects the area of life where they can bring new ideas or inspire change in others. This energy can feel unusual or different. It reflects where people may stand apart or express themselves in a unique way. In human design, the gate connected to Uranus reflects where these changes and unique expressions are experienced. These themes can bring moments of insight and transformation. Uranus is also a generational energy. It reflects themes that are shared among groups of people and can shape the direction of a generation. This energy has a connection to the future. It reflects new ways of thinking, evolving perspectives, and possibilities that may not have been seen before. Uranus can feel unpredictable at times. It brings moments of change that may not always follow a clear path. At the same time, it encourages freedom. It reflects the ability to break away from limitations and explore something new. The more people understand their Uranus, the more they can recognize where they are meant to embrace change and express what makes them different.